Today in this video I'll show you how to change different parameters on Be Cool Tracer, and the same probably on the Breeze and many other Be Cool bicycle, probably the same. So this is a display, come with a different, out of the box it comes with 5 pedal assist levels with different readings, battery percentage, odometer, trip, voltage, time, so basically a lot of information. So first what you need to do in the settings, you just push turn it on, M will turn on the bike, as now it's on already. You push these two buttons, up and low arrow, and we'll go to pedal, P01. P01, that's the brightness of display. If you're gonna go 1, it will be darker, 3 will be the brightest. P2 will change from kilometers to miles. If you want to read as miles, you put miles, kilometers, and you're switching by pushing either bottom arrow or top arrow. And then to switch to another level, you basically click on M, it will switch to another programming level. This one is a voltage 48, you don't change it at all. Then next one will be P04, you don't touch it as well. Then P05, that will go switching between how much pedal assist levels you want to have. So if you want 1 to 5 only, then you have 1 to 5. You push arrow up a little bit, like this, it will go to 9. It will be 1 to 9. If you push one more time, it will be 3 pedal assist levels. So you can switch between 3, 5, and 9 pedal assist levels. If you click bottom, it will go to 0. So 0 means 0 to 3 pedal assist levels. One more time, I'm gonna click one more time actually to 5. So 0 to 5 will be 5, and so on. So basically it comes with options to switch 3, 5, or 9 pedal assist levels. Then I push M again. 6, this is a wheel diameter, 22 inches right now. I would not touch it unless it's not accurate with the GPS speed. Then you can adjust it. Then one more time, 7, I would not touch it as well. And 8, it's a limiter of the top speed. So now it says 200. If you want to reduce the speed, you would reduce this one. So you would, if you want to reduce to 20 miles an hour only, so you put 20 and you should go up to 20 miles an hour only. Now it's to unlimited. So let's go back. Well, the rest of it, there is some more actually in settings, which I will not go over it because I don't want you to mess up parameters. So there's more information, and you might want to contact Be Cool for display manual, but that's all you need to know, because I know a lot of people going through different parameters and you mess up the settings and your bike will not work. So that's only things I think you need to know for this bike, and it will automatically go back to a standby position. You can also probably adjust in settings how long you want the display will be on before it turn off. But that's all you need to know, and that's all I want to show you for today. Thank you guys for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Have a great day.